Good afternoon, children. I just want to say this morning with our Zoom class was absolutely lovely. It was really enjoyable, and I hope to see you all tomorrow at 9:30 for our maths lesson. I just want to do a bit of a recap for our language arts. Some of you are submitting some fantastic pieces of work. You were really using your research and your thinking skills. But I did say, please don't copy and paste the writing. You have to put this in your own words. It's very, very important that you do put it in your own words, and to really show off your understanding of what you have just read. So from now on, you will not be receiving house points if you have simply copied and pasted work from online. You have to put it in your own words. I just want to say that we are going to be moving away from Seesaw. So any work that I assign you, so maths, reading, science, and language arts and cultural studies, this has to be uploaded onto Google Classroom. If you upload it to Seesaw, I'm just going to send it back to you because we do want to do all our work onto Google Classroom. Some of you are absolutely brilliant and are doing that, so thank you. I just want to go through a bit of maths today. If you're doing inline and developing, the majority of you got that correct, and it's brilliant. But extending, I just want to recap it because it can be quite a difficult time, especially adding on time. So if we just look here, it says, what is the time on the clock? Well, I know that the minute hand is the red hand because it's the largest, biggest hand, and it is 20 minutes to 1 o'clock. Okay, it's not quite 1 o'clock, it's 20 minutes to, because if I count back from 12, get in my 5s, going to 8, it should end up in 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So it is 20, let me just get my thingy. It is 12, 40. Okay, that's how I write it digitally, also known as 20 to 1. What time will it be in 4 hours? Now, I'm not going to be messing with the minute hand here, the minutes, because I'm adding on the hours. So I just need to change this. So I could write it as 2 different ways. You could write it as 16 ... 40. Or if you're doing it as a 12-hour, you could write it as 4:40. Okay. Number 3 says, what time will it be in 1 hour and 40 minutes? So I'll go back to my original time, which is 12:40. I need to add on, now it's really important that you add on the minutes first. So I need to add on 40 minutes. So I count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I've counted on at 40. And then just pretend where my hand is. Let's pretend it's right there. So what time, how many minutes is it after? Well, 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's my minutes. Now I've got to remember that because I have passed the o'clock, I need to add, because I passed the o'clock, the hour hand needs to change too. So it will be 1:20. Also, you could write it as 13:20, either way. And our last one, it says, what time will it be in 2 hours? Now, again, let me just rub away that. I'm not changing the minutes because I'm not adding on minutes. I'm just changing the hour hand. So that hour hand is the green hand. So I just need to move that hour hand over 2 places, representing 2 hours. So just before the 2 and just before the 3. So it should be 20 to 3 o'clock. So it should be 2:40. Okay? Or you can also write it as 14:40. Okay? It's difficult, but the more you do, the better you get. Okay? Bye-bye. Stop.